Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga, after nga i-greet ni Barbie Fortesa si David Licauco sa kanyang birthday, ay nag-reply na nga kagabi si David Licauco ng "Hey, I appreciate you as always. We'll always be proud of you too. Hehe." At nag-post nga si Shy Kai sa FB ng words for today, always, palagi. Ayun, pinaglalagyan ng heart yung always at palagi. At next ay more pictures of Barbie Fortesa with Gerald Napoles on their jogging yesterday at Ayala. At next, Instagram story ni Miss Ilan Licauco, Happy Father's Day Dad, kay Tito Jack. At post naman ni Tita Eden sa kanyang Instagram story, Happy Father's Day to the quiet force in our lives, always showing up when we need it. In ways that speaks louder than words. Love always. At next sa post ng 1365 kahapon, Happy David's Day. Ayan na nga, happy birthday David Licauco. Napaka-cute ng picture ni David. At next nga ay, nagulat kami, biglang tweet ni David Licauco ang Beauty Empire sa kanyang tweet. At hindi nga siya repost, talagang tweet niya. At sabi nga ni Wayoni Piolyang, thank you Kenzie, very supportive mo naman sa aming BB. Kasi di ba sabi ni David, si ano daw nagmamanage, si Kenzie daw nagmamanage ng Twitter niya. At tweet naman ni May, thank you always admin. Ha. O di ba? Either si Kenzie yun or si David kasi hindi alam sino yung admin ng Twitter ni David. At next ay TikTok post ng GMA News and Public Affairs. Sino kaya ang Big Four duos ni Barbie sa PBB? Let's watch this.
Nako, alam mo, hirap mag-decide kasi lahat sila talagang may potential maging part ng Big Four. Lahat sila deserving maging big winner kasi lahat sila may pinaglalaban and they're all very genuine and they all care for each other. Grabe yung support nila sa isa't isa kahit na magkakalaban sila doon per se. So, ang hirap mag-decide honestly.
Ang galing talaga sumagot ni Barbie, no? Safe pero may sense yung mga pinagsasabi niya. At saka papuri talaga doon sa mga doon sa mga housemates. Anyway, next naman ay another TikTok post ng GMA Public Affairs. Sabi, Barbie Fortesa nag-enjoy sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Ayon kay Barbie, naging meaningful ang kanyang stay sa bahay ni Kuya kahit sandali lang siya doon.
Sobrang saya, nakakabitan syempre kasi same day lumabas ako agad. Pero marami kasing mga commitments dito sa labas. Pero if given the chance, gusto ko pa sanang makabonding yung mga housemates. Gusto ko pa silang makachikahan, makilala, ganyan. Pero dun sa time ko sa loob, sobrang nag-enjoy ako kasi nag-fun run kami sa loob it's what I'm into right now. I'm into running. So parang kahit papano, I get to share something about myself, hobby ko ngayon, with the housemates at it served a bigger purpose kasi charity fun run siya. So nakakatuwa kasi ang meaningful kahit sa sandali lang ako. Oo nga na-realize ko lang din nung nandun ako sa loob tapos minention ng housemates. Na-realize ko, sayang nga naman di kami nagkasabay. Pero I think mas matagal yata kasi siyang nagstay sa loob kaysa sa akin. So, feeling ko naman dito sa outside world, hopefully, magkita naman kami. Kahit hindi kami nakita sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Pagbalik niya Barbie, makikita na siguro kayo. Baka naman that time nakalabas na si Dustin at pwede na kayo mag-jogging, magkakasama.
Ay nako, malapit na po and it's definitely gonna be shown first on View. Kaya dun po sa mga may View app, you got the first dibs dahil una nyo po mapapanood dito sa View and then very very soon on GMA Primetime.
At next naman ay TikTok post ni Sunflower Fever ay na Beauty Empire cast. Let's watch this.
Let's see. Breaking on down for the B-boys and B-girls. Waking in the Jude.
Caps lock! Yun na lang, okay na yan! Mara kasi! Ito naman sa amin, great vlog. Good service. Walang ilusyon! Wow! Ang laki na...
Pawis na ako. Ay, nako. Jacket.
Ang ganda pala ng firma mo.
Talaga.
Barbie!
Grabe, ang daming pinapasulat kay Barbie. Yun pa lang kay Kylie, lang yung pirma lang yung ginawa niya. Pinuri na lang yung pirma ni Barbie.
Ay, nako. okay na yan, okay na to.
At next ay interview ng Push TV kay David Licauco tungkol kay Barbie Fortesa. Let's watch this.
Well, I'd say Barbie is the best actress I have worked with, and I really learn a lot from her continuously. So yeah, I miss that. And syempre, throughout the years, the past 3-4 years, siya yung lagi kong ka-acting. So nung ginawa ko yung film na Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan, of course, it was new to me na wala si Barbie, nakakamiss pala na, 'di ba? Kasi madalas ko nga siyang kasama. So yun, but then she's very supportive naman in everything that I do outside the Love Team, like with the single and also yung movie, and then I think yung next teleserye din, and means same goes for me, di ba? Like meron na siyang teleserye now, so I'm really happy for her kasi of course we would want to grow within the Love Team and outside the Love Team. Yeah.
Okay.
I want a movie na iyakan, drama, gano'n, like something na may hugot, di ba?
Ay, true. Maganda nga yung ganun. Yung mga pala endless love, ganyan. Yung tragic. Grabe, mga gusto ko yon. Maganda nga yun para kay, kay Barbie tsaka kay David. Last na kay David, mapapakita niya talaga yung acting niya doon.
And a teleserye also, na rom-com naman sana, or if given the chance, Maria Clara 2.0.
Kasi open-ended
Diba?
siya.
Oo kasi diba yung last part namin doon, kami yung last na parang pwede pa siyang mag-transpose into something, into another world, diba? So hopefully, magawa namin yun. It's really a big dream of mine.
True. Sana nga nagawa na ng Jamie. Pagkatapos ng Sandra ni Ma'am Suzette, sana naman, Fidel and Clay naman. At next is another Push TV exclusive. Jamison Blake reveals the story behind the viral fun run photos with Barbie Fortesa. Let's watch this.
It's nice to see naman. Well, it was nice na knowing her from a short span of time. We got close really fast, and doing a project together, doing a movie with her was also fun. She's very professional, and we just had that talk during shoot kasi na there was a run coming up kasi naging active siya sa running. So like we had a good conversation about it, and I told her na let's go, let's run together. Nakala ko nakalimutan niya. And then she messaged, like, let's go for the run. So, ayan, we went for it, and
Ayun na nga. So, si Barbie Fortesa nga ang nag-invite kay Jamison Blake.
even with the lack of preparation, it was fun. It was a good run. So we have an upcoming film, pero I don't want to mention too much about it. Basta we have a film coming up soon. It will be on Netflix.
True. Kailan nga kaya yung Kontrabida Academy, no? Kasi hanggang ngayon wala pa rin siyang date sa Netflix, no?
As a person, very approachable. Like what I said kanina, she's professional. Kasi, knowing her, she's matagal na siya sa industry. So, but then when we do scenes, alam mo yung she knows what she has to do. Parang ganyan. What else is she's very engaging when you have conversations with her. Syempre, hindi siya boring kausap. So, very our time together is there's a sense to it, when we have talks.
True. Kaya nga yung housemate sa PBB, di ba? Talagang gustong-gusto siyang kausap, nilalapitan siya talaga. Si Ralph, si River, di ba nilapitan talaga si Barbie para kausapin, pati yung mga girl housemates. So, wala kasi siyang dull moment at saka napaka-witty niya. Tapos, nagjo-joke-joke pa siya. So, maganda talaga siyang kausap. At, ito yung napansin ko, guys, no? Between Jamison, yung sa interview ni Jamison, parang napaka-casual niya about Barbie. Parang work-work lang. Parang wala ko na-feel na romantic romance between him and Barbie. Hindi katulad yung mga interviews ni David. Talagang nakakakilig talaga pag pinag-usapan si Barbie. Lalos na yung 2023. Grabe talaga yung mga levels ng interview ni David noon. Pero itong kay Jamison, parang wala. Work lang talaga. Wala ko na feel. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more bird updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!